Consider the possibility that you could earn money only with a few seconds of effort. To be honest, I was a little reluctant at first, but as you know, I am confident with my method since I experienced it firsthand. And thanks to this new method, we'll be able to earn a significant amount of money every few minutes. Most importantly, they provide a choice of payment options, and you are free to use and benefit from this platform. That means that for individuals who are just getting started, it will be an excellent method to increase their income, support their families, and even improve their quality of life. This is a terrific chance for us since, in addition to being simple, it may be performed as many times as we want without restriction. It is a basic step-by-step method for earning money online every day. Therefore, continue watching till the end of this video to learn more about this brand new hidden strategy. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. FiveSquid is the website that I'll be introducing to you today that will help us earn money. To proceed to the website's homepage, you may use the search bar to enter FiveSquid.com. This online marketplace for skill-based services, FiveSquid has become a household name in recent years. People from all around the world may trade their skills on a safe platform, and savvy consumers can find excellent discounts without sacrificing quality, which is why this company was formed. As of 2011, this company's mission was to make it easy for anybody to buy and sell services online, whether they were individuals trying to make additional money through the use of their skills, or corporations searching for cost-effective short-term resources via an open and fair trading platform. Now, I want you to click on the category bar of the website, which is the three lines located next to the search bar. And this section will introduce you to a variety of online money-making opportunities. Few of the things they offer are graphic design, digital marketing, video and animation, and many more. However, I'll show you a brand new keyword that has never been used before. It's called Your Message On. Now type it into the search bar and press the Enter key. This is a completely new concept offered by FiveSquid, and this method allows you to obtain a list of services from around the world without providing any difficult visuals, videos, or other creative medium. It's fantastic to see such a large number of people from all over the world offering these services. You can see the services here, but perhaps more importantly, we can see that they are constantly profitable even without putting any effort, which is just what we want. In order to demonstrate my point, let me use an example. By simply clicking on this service right here, you can learn more about the service provider and the service that he or she desires to supply. There are a lot of businesses that will pay between £5 and £50 for a job done. Each order you receive is subject to a processing fee with FiveSquid. There is a 20% fee deducted from all the successful deliveries of orders between £5 and £15. As an example, the seller's account will be credited with £4 for each £5 order that is successfully delivered. You may find out more about the company's commission on sales by clicking on these three dots right here and then click on FAQs button. However, even with these charges, you would still be able to obtain a reasonable amount. To put it simply, you may use this service to put in any type of text into the template. It's a popular service that many people are taking advantage of. Again, you will not be required to generate any difficult videos, images, or content in order to use this strategy because I want it to be as simple as possible for you so that I can assist you in earning money online as quickly as possible. That is why you don't have to be worried because of this automatic process. A mere tap of your finger will result in money being earned. It appears to be simple, doesn't it? And it is. Because of this, you will receive payment immediately through PayPal or any other payment method that you choose to use. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now for a short description, when using your message on service, you will be the one responsible for accepting messages from clients, and transforming them into something special. It may involve recording the message in audio, incorporating it into a video, or incorporating it into specially produced pictures. As a result, I'll simply introduce you to a new website that will help you in the process of entering any text you desire into the template you've selected. This is an excellent service that a large number of people are taking advantage of right at this time. And take a peek at this website called headymeal.com. Please type this into your browser's address bar. On headymeal.com, you may personalize amusing photographs by adding your own phrases to them. Then send the resulting dynamic images to friends or even sell them. Among the photographs are 3 dynamic ones: Einstein's chalkboard, Uncle Sam, and the Quaker haha. These are the photographs that you will use to sell on FiveSquid in the future. Here's an example of what I'm talking about. Select Einstein from the options here, and you'll be able to make changes and additions to the notes that Einstein jotted down on this very chalkboard. You can see in the large box of text below that it may now be updated and changed to meet your specific needs. Suppose I want this to appear on the chalkboard. My channel is amazing. Please subscribe now. Afterwards, simply click on the Change Image button and you are done. In a few seconds, the website could alter everything printed on the board. It is completely hassle-free. Because the service is so easy to implement, people tend to overlook it. However, as you can see, your message on services is in high demand, and it is selling incredibly well. This is a great chance for those just getting started, as it demands no prior knowledge or expertise in this area. Your client's wants can be accommodated by just changing a word on HeadyMeal. You can save the image by selecting Save As from the context menu when you right-click on it. If you're using a smartphone, you can simply take a screenshot of the image and send it to your computer. This approach will still be followed when it comes to editing the images of Uncle Sam and Quaker. Now, before you can begin offering your service, you must first create an account with FiveSquid. You can join by clicking on the Join button, and you will be redirected to a new page where you will be required to enter your email address. You can also sign up using your Google or Facebook account if you have one. Then press the Continue button, and following that, you'll need to enter your username and password. After that, simply click Join and you're ready to go. Now that you have your FiveSquid account set up and have created an image based on your customer's request, you can return to FiveSquid again and complete the order fulfillment process. This is something you can do over and over again. I'd want to close by suggesting another site where you can make money with headymeal.com. Simply because I'm in the mood to spread the word, and the bonus website that I'm talking about is Fiverr.com. Fiverr and FiveSquid are the same thing. There's a marketplace where users can sell their services to customers. Now, on Fiverr's homepage, type Einstein your message into the search box, and despite the fact that a large number of people are interested in use this service, just a few people have attempted to promote it. You can just follow the steps on how to sell here, and you can utilize Uncle Sam and Quaker as characters. Offering your skills to both of these websites might potentially increase your earnings, which I strongly encourage. It's easy to learn and rewarding to practice. It only takes a few minutes of work, and you may earn a lot of money in a short span of time. All that is required is to utilize the HeadyMeal platform and alter the material to meet your client's demands. There is no requirement for more technological abilities or expertise. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.